Hey guys, Justin here from Off Track RV. Just got this pre-loved vacation at caravan in our yard. Quality is second to none. It is really well priced. So we're actually selling this on behalf of a client on consignment. Currently we're selling it for $79,990. So if you love the quality of a vacationer, but you just want something pre-loved just to get yourself into caravan, this is definitely the van for you. I'll take you over the features of this van. So we have a 6-inch A-frame here with the electronic stability control. Nice bike rack on the front of the van with a massive toolbox. While we're here, in terms of weight, this van does weigh 2386 with an ATM of 3200. So you're just shy of 900 kilo load capacity, which is nice. Means that you can load up the caravan and not worry about what you're putting in this caravan. Got a clothesline running across the awning. You've got your TV entertainment hatch here with a second CD player. You've got your picnic table. So this is the Roadtracker. So it's a semi-off-road van. Your standard spring suspension, but you do have the mud terrain tyres underneath there with a 6-inch A-frame. All vacation caravans are RV map. We're accredited by the Caravan Association of Australia. You've got your rear shower locker here. Nice locker there for your chairs and whatnot. Rear view camera on the back of the van. 2 jerry can holders. And you do have an outdoor shower. Also, this van also, I believe, comes with the Weber and the Weber slider. You can see here, Weber and Weber slider, that's included. We are selling these, as I mentioned, we are selling this van on consignment on behalf of a client, so he advised us that the Weber can go with the van. All right, let's step inside. So rear door, 20'9" size. Rear door. I haven't turned the lights on, I will now. First I can see straight away, post-form rolled bench tops. Nice, massive fridge there. Club lounge. Everyone loves a good club lounge. More and more people are going for the club lounge these days. So you've got the club lounge, but not only that, you've got massive bench space here. You've got heaps of prep area. Look how long the drawers are. You've got massive drawers, massive storage. Right, you've got your Tetford oven with your free gas, 1 electric, hot plate, your mini grill and your oven. You've got the digital type radio there. Got your microwave. You've got your water filter built into the tap, nice and built into the tap. Turn that off. You've got your fan over the bed, which is great. You do have your little nooks on the side where you got your power points, lights, USBs, all that type of stuff in there as well. Little shelf above the bed, you can put a few books up there as well. Piano hinge doors. So in 2020, which is this van was built, 2020, vacation used piano hinge doors, which is great. Has got a diesel heater on this one. Diesel or gas? It's diesel or gas. It has got a heater. Check the spec. Check the spec. There's the controller for the diesel or gas heater. Ensuite's massive. So you can see here how big the ensuite is. Massive area. Washing machine. LED lights around the mirror as well. Double towel rail. This van will move very quickly. As I mentioned, we're priced at $79,990. Brand new vacationer right now. Minimum would start at $130, $140. Obviously, a lot more features in the new ones and whatnot. But if you've been thinking about going caravanning for Easter, This one is available. We can turn it over in about a week or so for you by the time we put it into the workshop pre-delivery. We'll throw in the free service. We'll do a service for you guys as well. Click the link. We'd love to chat with you guys and show you this man in person. Cheers.